2 years ago, I was here at this property to wash the roof, the entire home, all the concrete all the way around the house, and the deck. I am back to wash all of the gutters and all of the house. This concrete pad, along with the Jeep and the propane tank. How's it going? My name is Mike. They call me The Fresh Rinse, and I'm here on location in Milford, Ohio, nearly an hour away from my home. Now, it's never hard to justify driving an hour. You just price it accordingly. However, this is opportunity 2 of 3 for me on the day, all of which are in this general vicinity. So, not a waste of time. It is, in fact, very much worth my time to drive an hour. So I have my hose stretched out. I have a ladder stretched out here. The roof is not exactly walkable, but I'm gonna, first of all, clean all of the gutters, and I'm gonna have to do that with pressure. The gutters are entirely packed and they're moist. So the gutters and the downspouts, no way to wash those with a leaf blower. As you can see, the roof is just entirely unwalkable for the sake of trying to scale this so that I could blow this out. When we get to this end, we can see that this is entirely too mucky. A lot of boogies in here, a lot of boogies. Removing it by hand is really our best option. Here's the downspout. All right. There we go. I now have the gutters cleaned out all along the front of the home. I have my ladder set up along the back gutter line. However, it doesn't make sense to clean those gutters out until I wash the front of this home. My pressure hose is already stretched out. To me, in my opinion, it would not make sense to clean the back side of the gutters out, knowing that I have to pull my hose all the way back around to clean the front side of this home. It's hard to believe that in just 2 years, this home could possibly get this dirty. However, this is the north side of the house. And of course, the west, east, and then the south in the back. The north side never gets sun. Even the morning sun is blocked by these trees here. And then, as you can see, the whole perimeter of the home is surrounded by trees. So in all actuality, only a small portion of the south side gets any sun on this home. This is going to be an every 2-year project for me. I continue to use my 2.3 injector on these jobs. So far, it's cleaning just fine. 12.5% sodium hypochlorite with 150 feet of 3/8 pressure hose. Again, using the Suttner ST2700, the M5 twist, and the Davis shooter tip. Zero surfactant in my mix. As we revisit this northwestern side, the most dirty side of the home, we can see that the 2.3 took good care of that, and with no rinsing whatsoever, we see that these ledges are perfectly fine. Little rinsing will take care of all of this. The 2.3 injector is working just fine. All right, the entire home is washed, of course, along with the gutter clean out and downspout flush. Now, I'm going to clean this concrete pad. We'll move over to the Jeep and the propane tank. All right, so this is a first for me. I'm gonna shoot about a 4%. He wants all of this algae. It's all that algae cleaned up. Not a full-fledged detailing, just get it looking good. I think I charged $15 for this. And then the propane tank. I think I charged $25. So between $25 here, $15 for the little Jeep, just knocking off the heavy stuff, more than paid for the chemicals for the entire wash. All right, we're all wrapped up on opportunity 2 of 3 on the day. I hope that this was helpful to you. And speaking of helpful, do yourself a favor and screenshot the image that is on the screen as we speak. As many of you know, I have right now nearly 250 5-star Google reviews. And one way that I have found to get Google reviews is to send this image to my customers after the wash. Of course, I ask in advance, I ask after the wash, and then they automatically get a link when I send them the invoice. That being said, when you send your customers this image along with the link to your 5-star Google review, you are more than likely to get the review than otherwise if you did not ask. Another helpful pro tip, I'd like to think, coming up somewhere in the month of October, I'll be launching my new page, Exclusively Fresh. And there you'll find tips and tricks just like that and a host of others. And all of that in hopes to helping you grow your small business. All right, my name is Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.